Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Ready to unlock exclusive rewards just by signing up on one of the top crypto exchanges? Let me introduce you to BingX. BingX isn't just another crypto exchange. It's a powerhouse with some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, packed with features that cater to everyone, from beginners to pro traders. And here's the exciting part. When you sign up using the referral code, TK99, you'll get up to $10,600 USDT in bonuses, plus $3,000 USDT in exclusive perks. All you need to do is complete a few simple steps. Here's how to claim your bonus. Step 1. Scroll down to the description box and click on the exclusive link I've added for you. This will take you straight to the official BingX website. Step 2. Start your sign-up process. Enter your email and password. The referral code, TK99, will be automatically applied. Step 3. Complete identity verification using any government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license. Step 4. Complete a few easy tasks like KYC verification, your first deposit, and your first trade on BingX. That's it. Your rewards will start rolling in. The more you deposit, the bigger your bonus gets. So, what are you waiting for? Join millions of satisfied traders on BingX and unlock up to $10,600 in rewards, plus an extra $3,000 in gifts. Click the link in the description, sign up using the code TK99, and start your crypto journey the smart way. BingX, your trusted partner in the world of crypto. Trade smarter. Earn bigger.